Nature has a clear direction. To grow means to rise, to seek the light, to find space where there seems to be none. Verticality is not an invention. It is a natural impulse. An impulse that humankind has learned to transform into vision. We have observed, designed, and built. Towers and bell towers began to rise. Structures that defined identity, protection, and progress. Then we changed our perspective. We lifted ourselves higher. We began to look from above. Verticality became infrastructure, efficiency, intelligent organization. Today, this evolution finds its expression in Modula's automated vertical storage systems. Much more than simple high-rise shelving. Smart systems that transform space into value. Every Modula unit is born from a highly automated manufacturing process, from raw material to its processing, bending, punching, automated welding, all the way to the finished product. Over 90% of our systems are produced in-house, a 100% made-in-Italy process, envisioned as early as the early 2000s. Every component is coded, every phase is controlled, every cable is traced. Here, operators oversee intelligent processes. Over 10,000 possible configurations, heights up to 21 meters. Powered by intelligent software, the true heart and brain of the system. From management and inventory to seamless integration, everything is unified in one ecosystem across all Modula solutions. Fewer movements, fewer errors, greater safety, higher productivity, less wasted space, improved ergonomics. Today, Modula has 3 production facilities, 15 subsidiaries worldwide, over 1,100 people, and more than 40,000 systems installed. Verticality is not just a technical choice, it is a vision. It is the most intelligent way to organize space, work, and growth, the natural form of progress. Think vertical, Modula.